Okay, this would be a sample of the assessment I would have the students do. I would share this Apple Pages with them in a shared Google folder after they've had time to practice on the worksheet. Each of them would have an iPad and an Apple Pencil, and they would use this screen recording software called GoRecord to use the pen on this app to make a screencast of themselves solving each of these three equations using the appropriate method. So I'll show you an example of what that would look like here on this first equation using the Apple Pencil. Create a drawing. So students would know that a quadratic equation, one side would have to equal 0. So they would show that process. And since it has 3 terms, they would either have to try to solve it by factoring or by using the quadratic formula. So to show that it factors, they would go through this process. And along the way, I would expect them to verbally explain every step they're doing. To show me that they understand the process and not just can get a right answer, but they understand what they're doing and can explain it. So that would be an example of what I would expect, again, with the verbal of them explaining steps along the way. Finish one problem, they would go on to the next one, do the same thing, use the pen here to make another drawing of themselves solving that.